Alright, so from the previous video, I wanted to show you what I've got going on here. Here's my smart meter on the side of my house. Faraday caged off a little bit. Sorry for the sound in the background. They're doing some yard work, concrete stuff. Anyway, Faraday cage around the smart meter. This may or may not help it. I did it. I have it grounded to the ground up on top, to the actual wiring around. Taking it off, taking the Faraday cage off or on doesn't seem to make a difference with that pulsing sound from the previous video. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you in the room. That's my son's room. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's his bed where I was, and you can kind of see in there. I'll try to block the light out here. Right on the other side of the wall, like I'm saying, is where the smart meter is. So if you're a parent thinking about, you have no control over where, you know, people are putting stuff near your children, that in and of itself feels like, you know, a little bad in and of itself. But let's say that there's no damage being done off the side. We know these things put out microwaves anyway, even if it's at a small intensity, or maybe it's a large intensity. Maybe we don't know, because a lot of these smart meters are all neighborhooded up, where you have like one major kind of smart meter that controls a lot of the smart meters in the neighborhood, where I think I've heard this, where one meter sends out signals from all the other meters in the neighborhood, so you have no idea you know, what the transmissions are happening, where the microwaves are coming in and out of. On my neighbor's house over here, they've got a smart meter, and you know, it's directly across, so maybe that smart meter is communicating with my smart meter. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I've heard this online that they are communicating, so maybe that's why I'm getting a pulse sound. Or maybe not. Maybe the pulse sound's coming from somewhere else. I'm picking up an RF signal from a Wi-Fi system in the neighborhood. That's what I'm trying to decipher here. But the fact that every time I have my main electrosmog meter, get it out again, I turn on the sound of it. And I'll turn on the sound here. Oops. Let's try again. So up, down. Right. Again, you can kind of hear that. That pulse sound right outside my smart meter. That's holding it like 0.005 microwatts per square meter. Again, not the end of the world. It's not bad in the intensity coming off it, but who knows if my meter, like, there's a couple variables. I don't know if my meter's picking up all the microwave that's coming from it. I don't know if this thing pulses at times. It's really, really hard to know. Just getting an idea that I am picking up something with my meter. It seems to be coming from the smart meter, and it seems to be an oscillation that is unexplained, and it radiates actually into my son's bedroom, my bedroom, and kind of in different parts of this side of the house. If I go to other parts of the house, I don't get that oscillation whatsoever. So trying to figure it out. Anybody out there that might have an idea, if I've heard this sound before on similar meters, might have an idea what's going on, I'd love you to post in the comments below. Thank you.